Welcome to Pilates Plus. We have a variety of different things here, not just Pilates, but Pilates being the main core aspect of it. In the retail area, we have clothes that you can work out in. You can do Pilates and yoga. We have running and cycling clothes. We have long pants, short pants, tank tops. We have some clothes for men, clothes for women. We also carry skincare products that we use in our facial room. At Pilates Plus, we have all varieties of Pilates apparatus, starting with the Cadillac. You can see working your strength, your posture, your flexibility. We also have reformers where you do reformer classes using spring tension and your body strength. We have every single piece of Pilates apparatus that there is. This is our Pilates mat room where we do a variety of different classes. We have traditional classical Pilates mat classes, open and beginner. We also have advanced classes. We are also teaching standing Pilates using the ballet bar. So incorporating certain moves that you can do for Pilates, building that strength and flexibility standing if you have a problem lying down, or it just works into your muscles a little bit differently. We also have a class called Core Fluid Fusion, incorporating the ballet bar, some great music, and strength building. We also have classes in here incorporating the stability ball. We have mini trampolines that we use, rollers, so we have a variety of different classes here. We also use the Pilates stick. We're the only studio in Rochester that has it. This is a phenomenal piece of apparatus called the Gyrotonic machine. And what you're doing is you're working in a 3-dimension. So you're working your rotational muscles, you're working that strength and flexibility. You're also building muscle strength in rotation. So it's amazing for people with a back problem. At Pilates Plus, we use Trickster cycles, which are, if you're used to a regular cycle, it's a different kind of cycle because you're working your arms. So we really believe in working the full body at Pilates Plus. And with our cycling classes as well, your arms are moving, your core is working, your legs are working. So we're working your entire body at once. We're also using great music, weights, so you're getting really great full body workout.